Canceling your Spectrum internet service requires following specific steps and understanding key policies that can save you money and hassle. Currently, you need to either call Spectrum customer service at 833-267-6094 or visit a local Spectrum store to cancel your service. While the FTC's Click to Cancel rule aims to simplify online cancellations starting May 2025, phone or in-person cancellation is still required for now. When you contact Spectrum, make sure to have your account information ready to streamline the cancellation process. Here's the most important information that can save you money. Spectrum does not prorate final bills. This means you'll pay for the entire billing cycle, even if you cancel early in the month. To avoid unnecessary charges, cancel at least one business day before your next billing cycle begins. This simple timing can save you from paying for an entire month of service you won't use. The good news is that Spectrum doesn't charge any cancellation fees or early termination fees, making it easier to switch providers if needed. Additionally, new customers who cancel within 30 days of starting service may receive a refund, provided they haven't had Spectrum service within the previous 90 days. Remember the key takeaway: timing your cancellation before the next billing cycle is crucial to avoid unnecessary charges. When canceling Spectrum service, you must return specific equipment to avoid costly fees. Understanding what needs to be returned is crucial for a smooth cancellation process. You must return all Spectrum-provided equipment, including modems, routers, cable boxes, and receivers. These are the expensive items that Spectrum will charge you for if not returned. However, you do not need to return remotes, splitters, or cables. These items are yours to keep, which simplifies the return process. You have 14 to 30 days after cancellation to return your equipment. Missing this deadline results in significant fees that can seriously impact your final bill. Spectrum offers 3 convenient methods to return your equipment. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that works best for your situation. First, you can drop off equipment directly at any Spectrum store. This is often the fastest method and provides immediate confirmation of your return. Second, you can return equipment through any UPS store. They will package and ship your equipment to Spectrum, making this a convenient option if no Spectrum store is nearby. Third, you can request a home shipment return kit from Spectrum. This includes a box, bubble wrap, and prepaid return label, allowing you to ship from home. After returning equipment, monitor your final bill carefully. You can access your Spectrum account online for up to 60 days after disconnection to review charges and ensure everything is correct. Before returning any equipment, remember to erase all personal data, saved preferences, and login information to protect your privacy. This simple step prevents potential security issues.